Hey guys, what's going on? I just finished filming my top speed test video on the Razor MX 500. I coincidentally met up with some guys right after that. I don't know if I'm going to do a ride or not, but I'm introing this video in case I do. Guys, one thing I will say is I loved the Ultimate 2.1 kit, which was the 5,000 watt motor and the Kelly controller. And it wheeled really easy, but I'll tell you what, this thing, this EC4 PV2, 14,000 watt, with the True Moto controller, it pulls up so easily, guys. It's absolutely insane. I guess we got to get on the street here. It's so crazy. Just ripping it down the street on this thing. Easily keeping up with traffic. Obviously, it's not even a concern. Turning up that torque to 335 also helped too, man. Makes it feel even better. Whew, it's getting dark out now, and of course my light is dead. I need to just put on the Electron Co headlight that wires right into the bike, because I never remember to charge this one. Turning around because I definitely just saw a Sur-Ron. Definitely just saw a Sur-Ron, right? Let's intercept him. There he is. Is that a Sur-Ron? It's not. Some sort of e-bike though. Oh. That's Kurt.
Uh-huh. You don't want no smoke.
What's up?
Good?
Yeah, good. How about you?
Yo, I figured out what was wrong.
Yeah, this is pretty similar in size. Well, actually, that's a little big. Yeah. Well, I just put an extended swing arm on it too. But you got the bigger wheel. Oh, you got the Supermoto in the rear. Yes, sir. Is this a 22?
23.
23. All right, quick little night ride. We got a 110 in the back. Woo! Woohoo! I don't know which way we're going. I love these 110s. I almost got one of them. Ninoc 110. Let's go. Should I pull mine in the hook? Too bad my bike's not red anymore. See, I gotta try that. Foot over. Forgot how much more power this thing has now. It's awesome. I moved it down to 10 kilowatts just to, you know, I don't need all the power right now. Save some battery. Ooh, let's hit this hill climb here. Woo! See, this is the less glorious part. I wonder if you guys can even see this shit. Yeah, we're walking it down though, because brakes aren't good enough, and this is pretty slick stone. Sig in mouth. What? I said sig in mouth. I gotta be careful here, because there's still people on this trail, and I can't see. And I don't have a headlight, and my eyes are watering because I have no goggles on. It's just not a good combination of many things. That 110 is pretty quiet, all things considered. Oh yeah, 110 wheelies on the water. Let's go. Don't mind my zip ties hanging here. I used them to put my phone on the bars for my Speedo last video. Whoops. Slow down. We're whipping tonight, that's for sure. There's just so many people out, I can't believe it. Let's get a throttle one-hander here. Woo, there we go. Oh yeah, up the ramp. All right, I'll Ninoc it too. Can't Ninoc for shit right now. We'll sit down it. The cops never give a fuck about you on this, huh? Yeah. I mean, I feel like it's so little, it's just like, same with this. They never do anything.
I said one of the Sur-Ron, obviously.
Yeah.
This thing's so funny that I can ride with like an electric bike.
Dude, it's so quiet.
I can also like be with the pack. And,
Yeah.
They're not.
Take the turn. Ah. Sidewalk work, you know it. Let's get back in the street. Woo! Sketchy! Well, I guess this is a ride video now. Didn't expect this, but you know. Just try to hop up to one though. Swerving all over him. Arm pump. I love this. Gas and electric unite in the pack, baby. Woo. Yeah, that's what a foot brake gives you. Endless one-handers. Oh! Bro, I want a foot brake so bad on this thing.
I know. I mean, I learned on the Surron, obviously. But
Yeah, it's still not the same.
when I ran out of 85, I learned how to ride it.
Dude, the thing with the gas bikes is they just feel so much more substantial. Even the 110. Like,
No, after riding this for a while and then back in the Surron felt so light.
yeah, dude, it feels like, it kind of feels like a toy. Whew, yeah guys, sorry, I'm not really talking about much this video. We're just out riding. Whew. Woo! Gotta swerve this car here. Watch for opening doors. Woo! Oh my god, I have so much arm pump.
God, you, Connor, you're getting way better. When we first started, you were making that look like it was
Yeah, I sucked. Now it's a lot better.
smooth with it.
Dude, I haven't ridden though, because I'm getting the worst arm pump right now ever. Woo! Woo! Swervy, baby. It's a very random night ride, guys. You're